Good morning. Today's lesson plan is number 4. First, we have to write name of the student, name of the guide teacher, name of the school, standard, subject, unit. Unit is from algebra. Topics is remainder and factor theorem. Then number of students, date. Then next is instructional objectives. General instructional objectives. The student recalls about values and zeros of polynomial, acquires knowledge about a remainder and factor theorem, to know about their significance of remainder and factor theorem, understand the concept of both remainder and factor theorem, develop their skill of identification. Next is specific instructional objectives. Specific instructional objectives. The student explain the concept of remainder theorem. Explain the concept of remainder theorem. Define remainder theorem. Define remainder theorem. I'm reading twice this one. Describe the significance of remainder theorem. Describe the significance of remainder theorem. Evaluate the problem using remainder theorem. Evaluate the problem using remainder theorem. Compute the problem without actual division. Compute the problem without actual division. Discuss about factor theorem. Discuss about factor theorem. List out the highlights of factor theorem. List out the highlights of factor theorem. Applies the given problem in the note. Applies the given problem in the note. Solve the given problem. Next one is utilization of teaching aids. Chart, definition for remainder and factor theorem. Then flashcard. Next, previous knowledge of the learner. Teacher verify the previous knowledge of the students through probing questions like what is meant by factor? What is meant by factor? Define the zeros of polynomial. Define the zeros of polynomial. Next one is motivation. The teacher motivates the students to observe the following concept. Next one is methods of teaching. Then we have to divide into 4 partitions. Specification of behavioral objectives. Second one is content. Third one is teaching learning experience. Fourth one is evaluation. In first partition, in the first box, we have to write explain the concept of remainder theorem. Explain the concept of remainder theorem. In the case of divisibility of a polynomial by a linear polynomial, we use a well-known theorem called remainder. In the case of divisibility of a polynomial by a linear polynomial, we use a well-known theorem called remainder theorem. In the third box, the teacher explains the concept of remainder theorem. The students listen silently. Next one is explain the concept of remainder theorem, question mark. In the second box, in the second row, first box, define remainder theorem. Define remainder theorem. In the second box, definition of remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. If a polynomial p of x of degree greater than or equal to 1 is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a, where a is any real number. In the next box, the teacher defines the remainder theorem by using chart. At there we have to paste on small chart. Inside we have to write it as a remainder theorem. At the down, the student listens the class. The students listen the class. Define remainder theorem. Last box, define remainder theorem. In the next row, describe the significance of remainder theorem. Describe the significance of remainder theorem. Then number 1, p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Second point, if p of x is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is p of b by a. Third point, if p of x is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder is p of minus b by a. In the next box, the teacher explains the significance of remainder theorem very clearly. The student understand easily. Fourth box, describe the significance of remainder theorem. In the next row, evaluate the problem using remainder theorem. Evaluate the problem using remainder theorem. In another box, we have to give some problem. Problem is, find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. Question mark. Solution, f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Hint, g of x equal to x plus 1, g of x equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to minus 1. Now f of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 of minus 1 plus 1 equal to, the answer is 0. So therefore the remainder is 0. In the next box, the teacher solved the problem with the help of the blackboard. There we have to paste the black chart. Inside, write problem using remainder theorem. Next, the students take notes in their note. In the last box, find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Question mark. In the next row, compute the problem without actual division. Compute the problem without actual division. In the next box, we have to write some example. Without actual division, prove that f of x equal to 2x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Solve this sum. This is already in the book. This is a big problem. We have to find the f of 1, then we have to find the f of 2. Therefore f of x is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. In the next box, the teacher explains about without actual division in blackboard. The students understand and take notes in their note. In the last box, without actual division, show that 3x square minus 13x plus 15 is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3. In the next row, discuss about factor theorem. Then factor theorem definition. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then p of a equal to 0 implies x minus a is a factor of p of x. Second point is x minus a is a factor of p of x implies p of a equal to 0. In the next box, the teacher explains about the factor theorem by using chart. We have to paste the chart. Inside we have to write factor theorem. Then the student listen silently. Explain factor theorem in the last box. In the last box, explain factor theorem. Next one is, in the next row, list out the highlights of factor theorem. There we have to write x minus a is a factor of p of x, comma, if p of a equal to 0. Next, x plus a is a factor of p of x, comma, if p of minus a equal to 0. Next one is ax plus b is a factor of p of x, comma, if p of minus b by a equal to 0. Next is ax minus b is a factor of p of x, comma, if p of b by a equal to 0. Next is x minus a into x minus b is a factor of p of x, comma, if p of a equal to 0 and p of b equal to 0. In the next box, the teacher lists out the highlights of factor theorem. The student keenly observes the class. Last box, what are the highlights of factor theorem? In the next row, applies the problem in the note. In the next box, we have to give one problem. We have to write one problem. Show that x plus 2 is the factor of x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20. Solve the sum. Therefore, x plus 2 is the factor of x cube minus 4x square minus 2x plus 20. In the next box, the teacher explains the problem by using flashcard. There we have to use one flashcard. Inside, write, find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube plus 5x plus 2 is divided by x minus 3. Find the remainder when, I'll go to the close-up shot, okay. Find the remainder when f of x equal to x cube plus 5x plus 5x minus 2 is divided by x minus 3. At the down, the students observes the class. In the next box, applies the problem in their note. In the next row, solve the given problem. Solve the given problem. In the next box, write problem. Find the remainder p of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1 comma g of x equal to x plus 1. The teacher point out the student. In the next box, the teacher point out the student to do the problem on blackboard. Student do it with interest. In the last box, find the remainder p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 50, g of x equal to x minus 3. At last, summarize. Summarize. The teacher summarizes the concept of remainder and factor theorem. Next one is follow-up activities. Next one is follow-up activities. Follow-up activities. Find the remainder when 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 5 is divided by x plus 3. Second one is using factor theorem. Show that x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 28x plus 5. At last, signature of the student teacher, signature of the guide teacher. Thank you, students.